Hello everyone, in previous session we had just opened the UV and also lay out the same and just put the texture over here and here. And so in this session I will just put the texture here as we have already opened the UV, but I have to align the same. So what I will do, I just select all of them and by holding UV and just select all of them and just go to press R button, just scale it down a little bit and just move it here. Okay, so as you can see, this is the front part as this region, especially this one, so that should be here, and after that we'll just move it and just enlarge it, so that would be fine. Now we'll select this part, right click, UV shell, select this and just move it somewhere here. I think that's the part. Okay, no problem. We'll increase the size, click the checker. This would be connected, so we don't have to paint the texture of this. We have focused this part and also the top. That would be fine because this part will connect to the rest of them, so we don't require to just take the texture. And now what happens next, we have this part which is this one. So what I will do, just increase the size, move it somewhere here, select them and just move it here. Okay, that's the down part, this one especially. Click and just have a look at the texture, it's stretching. We'll rotate this. Okay, we'll just put it somewhere here. Same with this one, which is the top, so we don't require it. Obviously if you wanna paint you can. And okay, that's the side one, and this is basically the back part, so we don't require this. So we'll focus on this one, the top, and this one. Then the side one, we don't require to just focus on the side, this part, and we'll just put somewhere here. This part also we don't require, so we'll just scale it down. Yeah, this part we require. And what is this? No, we don't require. And the last one is this one. Okay, so just click on the checkerboard, rotate the same. Move it here, move it here. So now we had a proper layout, and we'll go to UV, just select all of them, image, and this would be the side part. UV snapshot, damp, side _001, apply and close. Now we'll just go to Photoshop and desktop, this one, move it to Photoshop in a new tab and just go to its the previous file and previous texture, and we'll just go to Photoshop again, make a new, and after that what else we require, we'll just select this part, shift and drag here, we'll move somehow here, and after that what else we have to do, just go to the clone tool and we'll just click manually. As we have discussed, you have to just keep on just So right now I'm just selecting this texture and just put it somewhere here. Just move it, increase the size, and go to blending mode. Move your arrow button to have a clear examine. Just turn the opacity down. Okay, so go to Maya again, and the rest is I think fine. So we'll just select this. That's the top part. That should be this one, darken. So I'll just select that part, the top part, and go to the levels, drag this down. Okay, and the rest is fine. As here we have the gate region, so I'll just select like this manually and just make a new layer, click, go to level. Okay, now one more thing, Control T. If I just drag this, you can have more space for that. And now let's have a check, but at first one more thing I have to examine, especially this part. We need to just click over here, make new layer, level, because that would be connected. So definitely we it's looking quite well. Okay, so what I will do now, I will just select one of the part. At first we have to just make the copy, and we'll just save scene, and after that what happens next, we'll just, as you can see, you can fix this, and you know how to fix. I'm not using the back part, that's why I just leave the back part. So because we have seen from the front, we have to see from the front, and we'll extrude it, okay, little bit. And also we have to just use the inset edges. That would be hectic if you are just putting some edges like this and you are opening the UV. That would be very hectic. Putting some edges here. Press 3. Here we required 3, right click, object mode. Now you have a smooth result. If I press 1, you had a heart, press 3, you had a smooth. Select this part, Control D, move it here, Shift D, you can move like this, okay. And especially this part. If I press 3, what happens? See? So we'll go to insert edges. Okay, one thing is that we have to just first select the faces. Insert edges. Face. Move it. And so we'll go to object mode, insert some edges. Getting stretched, no problem. We have just extrude the same data. Okay, just press 3, examine the same, fine, and just select this part. I think also have to select this one. So what I will do, I just go to insert edges and just put some edges randomly. Go to face, select the faces by holding shift button. And just move it forward. Okay, and will not use the turbo smooth here, will not use the 3 button, otherwise it just form like this, no problem, but we'll just put it 1 only. And so as you can see here, we had to just go through the insert edges and just put some edges. Control G for group, and so we had the outliner here, so this is the group part. Control D, we'll just move it here, and Shift D, Control Z, Control D, select this part, both of them, move it at the center, this part, Control D, or you can do one more thing. Hi everyone. So in the previous we have just set up all those things, and in this session we will just make some duplicate copies. So at first I will just select this, and as you have seen that we have just moved the pivot by pressing D here, and what I will do, I will just select this. As you can see that it's facing in the X direction, which is here in the X direction. So I will go to edit, and here you have the duplicate special. We'll click over here, and as you can see the scale value, which is X, Y and Z, which is all in minus. Okay, so I will put the X value in -1 and apply the same. So it will just create the copy over here. And okay, one more thing we have to do, we'll just go to duplicate special. At first we'll reset it, and then we'll just -1, apply, close. So the problem is sort outed, because as you can see here also we have the -1 earlier, so the problem has sort outed. And here just click over here and press D again and just move it at the corner. Okay, I think here would be fine. I'll select this and just move it somehow here. Here would be the here would be fine. Okay, now we'll go to edit and duplicate special. Click. As we have just did the duplicate special, so I will just put somehow here, and we'll put somehow here. Okay, Control S, make sure that you're saving your file, which is very important. Select this, Control D, move it here. Select this, Control D, move it here. And we'll go to the window, and here we have the outliner. Select this group, Control D, move it here, and select this part, Control D, move it here. As you can see, we have formed this. Select this, go to the front view. First save your file. And as you can see, like this I will put, because I don't have to open the UV here. I will just put somewhere like this, and will do the editing in the compositing software. So hope now you understand the concept of UV, how you can just put the texture and all into that, work in only one and do the copy of all. So like this way you can work. And I will just save my file in a new scene. Continue. Like this way you can work quite well.